USB charging stations. They can help you quickly and safely charge your smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices all in one place. If you have more than just one smartphone at your home or in your office, you know how painful it can be while looking for the right charger and dealing with the mess of cluttered cables on your desk. And you often run out of outlets on the wall. To solve this problem, we engineered the perfect solution with our 4-port and 6-port USB. Charging stations that work for all smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices, whether it is iOS or Android, or anything that can be charged via USB. Both of these models come with short lightning cables for Apple and micro USB cables for Android devices. Thanks to their shorter length, they can help prevent cluttering and keep your desk neat and organized. Now to get started with a charging station, simply plug in the power cord to a wall outlet. Connect your mobile devices with the short charging cables, and then simply rest them between the divider slots. You will see a soft blue light turn on while charging the devices, and once the device is fully charged, the light turns off. This gives you a clear visual of the charging status from a far distance. You don't have to constantly check your phone. But for any reason, if you don't want the blue light, you can simply turn it off by flipping the switch on the side. The USB charging ports are enhanced with smart technology, so they can sense how much power your devices need and accelerate the charging time as necessary. So you don't have to worry about the safety of your expensive devices, because we already took care of it for you. And on top of that, you will receive a full 1-year warranty to give you peace of mind. To help protect your devices from accidentally slipping out from the charging station, we added a thin anti-slip surface to give a firm grip on the devices. You can move, tilt, or shake the charging station, but your devices will stay safe with it. Each of our 4-port and 6-port charging stations come in 2 different colors. One with a beautiful semi-glossy soft silver color, and the other with a modern stylish space gray shade. There is no charging station currently in the market that offers the versatility and the wide variety of useful features like the semi-core charging stations. If you need ever any assistance, our customer-friendly support team will reach out to you immediately and will make sure you are happy with your purchase.